scheduled for 18 inches expected.
Yeah, they could wind up with 18. I could see that.
Oh.
They're you know, around a foot right now. There's a very important point. That is certainly one, you know, with fire hydrants.
Right.
Heaven forbid if there are fires and that can't be accessed. But another one is now, as these snow depths are reaching record levels, depending on how individual homeowners have their heating system venting out, they have to make sure that it does not get up to that level, or then carbon monoxide is going to be inside the house.
A lot of them go straight out the side, so you have to watch
absolutely.
them very closely.
That's right. So that's a really huge issue that people have to watch. And obviously, if anybody was in a car and they had their car on and the snow level got above the exhaust, same type of thing. So those are really important safety issues as we get into this very unique period that we are in this intense stretch of winter weather. Well, you could see shovels, snow blowers, you know, everything is being used to obviously try to take care of some of the snow, but the piles and the mounds are issues in so many communities, and that's an issue that obviously can't go away very quickly in the pattern we are in. So where do we go for the rest of today? Well, the heaviest snow as we get into the afternoon hours will start to be more restricted to eastern Massachusetts. The very heaviest has been there, but it's been a little more widespread, and there will be some tapering, especially Worcester West, eventually Metro West, but along the coast inside 128, the snow is going to last longer and continue to be heavier in bands. The South Shore has the most intense band activity that's been going on, and that's why there's like 20-inch amounts, as we'll show you. There has been icy mixing on the Cape. There's been snow, sleet, freezing rain, rain at different times. Nantucket's the only place that's had almost all rain. Most of the rest of the Cape has had snow along with an icy mix. It's flip-flop back and forth, but it is a significant impact going on down there as well. There's the 20 inches for North Weymouth and about 19 in Norwell, Braintree about 18. So just in that area, the nearby South Shore of Boston, already over 1.5 feet of snow. So some of those places are going to exceed 2 feet. This all started, remember, overnight Saturday night. So it's a long period of time that we've been involved. Pembroke is now over 1 foot, and Scituate is almost 1 foot of snow. Boston exceeded 1 foot, and that was back at 7 this morning. So they're obviously going above that by more now. Marblehead late report of 12.6. Natick has hit double digits, and West Bridgewater is not far from it, or Westboro. Fitchburg also 1 foot of snow. Rentham 9, Walpole just about 9, Millis a little bit less, but probably starting to get a little more now. And New Bedford at 4 inches because of the freezing rain and sleet and lighter precipitation early on. Auburn's closing in on 1 foot. Stoneham will shortly too. Norwood just about 10 now. Sudbury at 9, and Ipswich is over 1 foot. Here it is, the visibility. Lowest visibility, heaviest snow, brightest white color. It's in central and eastern Massachusetts, and the emphasis will slowly become more eastern Massachusetts as we get into the afternoon hours. It is on down in parts of the Cape, though, as well. The radar showing some of the real moderate to heavy snow bands. Northeast Connecticut, Rhode Island, southeast Mass, just about up to Boston. The very heaviest is south of the Pike, but certainly steady accumulating snow is going on north of the Pike also. We take you out in time, and you see not much changes for the short time, even up to about lunchtime. And there's the heavy bands. Again, Boston just along the South Shore, so you could see they're going to exceed 2 feet in that narrow band that especially includes Hingham and Norwell and Weymouth, just for starters. 4 o'clock this afternoon, what's going to be left of an afternoon commute, North Shore of Boston, Cape Ann, down to Boston, South Shore, back to about 128. Lighter snow to the west, but still snowing back to Worcester. Get into tonight. Now the snow is going to come to an end in Worcester, but look how it continues for the North Shore of Boston and the South Shore till like 11 o'clock tonight. And in the wee hours of the morning tomorrow, still some snow for the South Shore down to Cape Cod, especially around Plymouth County. Finally, it ends during tomorrow morning in those areas. So the additional snowfall, and we calculated this a little bit earlier, estimating it, about 4 to 8 inches outside of 128. Some of that's already occurred. 6 to 12 for 128 down through the South Shore, and 2 to 4 still possible on Nantucket once it flips over to snow. But the final snow totals should look like 16 to 24 or more in this pocket, with 4 to 9 around the upper Cape. So you have a big range because this is where the temperatures have really fluctuated an awful lot down in that region. 10 to 16 inches of the light, dry, fluffy, powdery snow. And there's Boston's visibility. It's down there. It's snowing pretty hard. It's only 18 degrees. There's the wind out of the northwest. Just to give you a glimpse of the next 7 days, tomorrow the snow finally ends on the South Shore and southeastern Mass in the morning. And as far as the rest of the week, cold is the emphasis. We have to watch 2 other snow possibilities later Thursday into Friday and along about Sunday.